Good afternoon. Welcome to watercolor painting in the afternoon. I wanted to show you my very final Strathmore watercolor journal. I don't think they're making them anymore. Can't find them anywhere. So I started my journal with a rose on the outside. This was done using Daniel Smith watercolor ground, which is different from gesso, and I painted over the Strathmore, and then I painted the rose on top of that, and it did pretty well, although you can still see the Strathmore through the watercolor ground. Then I wanted to do something fairly quick, so I painted a nice little beach scene. I hope this is not coming in and out of focus. Try to keep it in focus here. Nice little beach scene. And, you know, I'm not quite sure why, but I painted a beet. Then daisies were up next, and I tried to maybe paint a little bit negative around the flowers to make them stand out. And I kind of like the way they turned out. It was pretty good. A beach scene where I was trying to do people. We'll not talk about that. This was off of Pinterest, I'm pretty sure. And I really liked it. I thought it was cute. Just the cat's face. These were, I think they were called sherbet peonies. And aren't they pretty? I think that I got this picture off of a seed catalog somewhere. But really beautiful. And Jack Russell Terrier. I did that with a filbert. The entire painting with one little filbert brush. Very handy little brush. I did what could be considered a bookmark on the side here, and then a seasonal wreath. Sometimes when I don't know what to paint, I'll paint a seasonal wreath. This was peach season back in the summertime, so I just did peaches and peach blooms and branches. And a seagull. Maybe it's Jonathan Livingston's seagull, I don't know. But I just thought he was very, very handsome. I did a tutorial on that, or a demo, one or the other. I was following the lead of Visual Mind. If you want to learn gouache, go to her channel, Visual Mind, Melanie. And over here I was trying to do just a really quick little cat. To be honest, I wish I had... Let me see if I can't get that in focus right. Okay, I wish I had brought it out here a little bit more before I swept up. It didn't quite come out right, but it's all right. It's okay. Live and learn. A crane. And I have no idea what these plants were, but this was a photograph, and I wanted to paint it, and I think it turned out pretty well. This little cat paws, getting ready to jump, and another kitty cat in the moon. And I think I did a quick little demo on this little bit in the binding. This was a Karen Rice video, and I pretty much just blew it. I don't know what happened. I don't know what happened. We'll just keep going. This is a friend of mine's Puggy dog, Hayes Puggy. He's so cute. This was inspired by Ellen Crimmy Trent. Really, I know I've said it before, but if you're not watching her and following her, you're just missing out. Kind of a foggy lake scene. Let's see if I can't get a little bit closer without getting it out of focus. Nice foggy lake scene. And I really enjoyed doing this one. This one was so relaxing and simple. Just birds flying over the mountains. Maybe I could do that, demo that with you at some point. If you'd like to see it, let me know. And a turtle, the sea turtle. That got a lot of likes on Facebook. I was showing it to my friends, and they, sea turtle, yay! But, yeah, I like him. His name is Dude. And then this little Victorian house I saw online. I think it was on Pinterest or something like that, and it was just so pretty, and so I painted it. Yeah. I was trying to practice what to leave in and what to leave out, what to simplify and what to leave complex. And the Victorian house is really perfect for that exercise because there's so many little details. This is plein air. In my backyard I have this cute little bird bath right here and a little Japanese maple, and I don't know what happened. I am not real happy with it. It just looks a little bit too busy up in here, and I think maybe I would prefer it looser than it is, but that's, you know, it's okay. And I have one last page. Maybe I'll fill that with you guys. Maybe I'll demo something here. One last page, it's the very last one. So sad. And I did over here put an acrylic background and a matte acrylic background, obviously, and then painted with some gouache an apple branch. So that's it. My final Strathmore watercolor sketchbook. Strathmore, get your act together, please, and make these again. I don't want to give them up. Well, I hope you guys have a great evening, and I'll see you soon.